What do you say in a moment like this other than Tanner's an idiot? Welcome back to the channel. We're at Twin Mountains Off-Road Park. It's right outside of Quinton, Oklahoma. This is our first time to actually ride here. I think the park's only maybe 2 or 3 years old, so yeah. We've never been here before. Starting today, it's just me and Tanner and the girls, so we don't have any other rides with us, but we may meet up with some people on the trails.
Yeah, we've heard good things about this park. There's not much videos for us to watch before we came to see what it was about, but we have heard good things about it, so we're out here just trying to see what we can break today.
Yeah, so follow along, see if we make any expensive decisions.
But it's still a red trail, and they say the red trails are still pretty gnarly, so we're about to hit Metal Bender and go up that way. Current's coming around right now. Yeah, that was better. Almost lost my shoe.
Got Tan the Man going up now. We didn't film the 4-seater going up this, so I wanted to get him because that's a pretty good little ledge right there. Who turned that shit on? For them rookie drivers. Red for the side-by-sides, red for the Jeeps. Oh, gotta go. Yep. Oh shit. Going down. I'm definitely too old for this. Whew. But I do it for you, people. I do it for you. It's all for the tube. We are on Twisted Cedar, which is still a red side-by-side and a red Jeep. Got a pretty cool deal here. Be really hard to climb, but dropping down ain't gonna be no big deal, other than might slam a little bit. that.
Oh, not the wrap.
Oh boy. I said it wasn't gonna be that bad. No, you got 3 down. The bat, you got about 3 more inches and the back's gonna drop off, Tanner.
Should I get out?
Nah.
We're gonna need the wrap redone.
Aww.
Oh, there it goes.
Oh yeah.
Did you get the wrap?
Aww, so sad.
Him.
You're like a turtle.
Hey, I'm stuck.
Yeah, you're like.
Give me a push.
Yeah, you're gonna need more than a push. Whew. He bellied out, so he can't go forwards or backwards.
Got it.
We got him unturtled. They're having a debate over the wrap now. Apparently, it scratched it. It's the hardest thing to get over when you first get them wrapped, the first scratch. Oh!
Crunchy.
Ka-chow!
What was that? Get in his hair in.
For those of y'all that'll be in the comment section, I do have my harnesses on. It's just a lap belt. I gotta,
Yeah.
I gotta see what I'm on. I gotta see what I'm doing.
Them keyboard warriors that get you, boy.
Yeah.
You should be wearing a helmet, bro.
Yeah. It's a backwards cap. It's a helmet.
Oh, okay.
Definitely gonna need some more clean paint.
Oh, there's a rock there. Yep. You got it? Yeah, you had it. You need to turn your way. There you go.
There's a big ass rock over here.
A big rock?
Yeah.
Oh, there is a big rock over there. Yeah, I didn't see that one. Here, let me help you. Oh, I got you.
Oh yeah, good job.
Oh, you can't even see most of that.
Are you lying?
Yeah, I wouldn't lie to you.
Terrible, ain't it?
Nah, it's in the black, so it's not bad. There is some big rocks here, I'll give them that. KRX don't care. If y'all want a badass machine, buy a KRX. Say what you want about them being slow and all that, but
Why am I in here?
that's what I was just saying.
So most of you know we just got the KRX wrapped, and I just want it to be documented that Tanner messed it up first.
Alright, so I just made it through, and Taylor's mad. I messed up the wrap, which she did pay for the wrap, so I'll give her that. But Brent's about to try it. I don't know which way he's going, because he can go left or right here. It looks like he's taking a big drop off for the gram. He's about to get his wrap too. This is where I got my wrap.
You gonna go good?
No. You're gonna have to go more right, but you're probably gonna get your, doing that, you're probably gonna get your wrap like I did. There you go, right there. Shit!
Ride the horse.
Oh shit! It's a little sketchy, ain't it?
We're taking an instrumental break. Can we go back to the dirt now? I won't complain.
Because it is.
Trail soldiers to help out.
Yeah, back up a little bit. Turn. All right, now turn this way.
That's a bit better.
You got it. Yeah. All right, so this trail here is called the train station. Brent's gonna try it first. We're hoping it's not like the train station on Yellowstone where we don't come back from it. So we're hoping we're able to conquer it and come back from the train station.
I don't know what Tanner said already, but we're at train station. back up it just to give you a little more content. But if you watch Yellowstone, you don't want to go to the train station. It's not good news. But be alright. We are on Ball Buster. Ball Buster's another red trail for side by side things. Pretty good little hill here. KRX going first. I like he's breaking trees. Oh yeah. He got it.
Alright, Brent's gonna give it a shot in a 4-seater cheater on old Ball Buster. Don't go nowhere. Yeah. Maybe right now you're wedged in between your tire and the rock slider. We're going to have to try to Alright, so we're about midway through the trails here, and don't make the same mistake we did. If you come here during the summertime, bring some swimming clothes, because they have beautiful, nice, cool creeks you can get in and cool down.
Yes, we have used them a lot today.
Yes, we have used the creeks, and we're at one right now. I'm going to turn it around. Look at that.
Yeah, go get in the water.
Yeah, you can get in the water. And it is hot as hell out here, so it's perfect.
We are going down flip-flop. So we're on a trail called Name Tag. It's another one of their red trails. This is kind of the line here. I don't know if you can see because of the sun, but little crawl spot there. Looks like not too many people go through here. Tanner's gonna try it in the KRX first.
Ready?
Yeah. I don't know if I can get the 4-seater to turn around.
Yeah, I don't know.
Your rock slider nailing into that rock. You had it, or it looked like you did.
I'm about to burn a belt.
Oh yeah, you got it, you got it, you got it. You got it. Hell yeah.
What was that? I'm about to burn a belt. Hell yeah! Brent's gonna give her a go in Big Booty Judy. A little worried about this turn right here where I'm at with a 4-seater. We'll see how it plays out. Yeah, that's the trail.
So we just came up Anaconda. We're gonna hit this Copperhead Road. It says it's a buggy only trail. Me and Tanner already walked it a little bit. We'll film it when we get up there, but
Alright, sorry, I'm out of breath, just walked up this. But Brent's about to try the shit. Yeah! Pretty sure he just told y'all. But it looks like it's gonna get a little sketch. It probably is not showing very good on video, but You probably should have got out. You're bellied right at your feet. I think if he's not listening to me, he's just gassing it. Hopefully I don't fall. Woo! Lori's in there freaking out.
That one was a no-go.
If I could get past this one rock right here, I'd be all right.
Well, it's that one rock, and then as
I
you're
go that way, but I'm too long.
as you're bellied out on that rock, your left rear tire is stuck right there where your front tire's at.
Wait, that's
You're about to drop right back off. You're barely up. Hold on, hold on. We moved some rocks around a little bit. Let's see if it'll help him. I don't know what his plan is now. Big rock. Somebody's gonna drive up into me.
Can't turn with this big old thing. Something just moved.
You put a big ass rock in that hole.
That's good.
Actually, that big rock falling in there may help you to your first way you was trying.
I ain't climbing that.
No, you ain't climbing that shit.
Are you done playing with the rock?
You're out front. Ah!
Get closer and closer to the tree.
You're on the tree. Gotta try to drive this way. Golly. Tree. Yep. Tree. I think you need to let your belt cool down. I can smell it. Yeah, you got it there. Left, left, or right. Whatever way. Back up, or come to me. There you go. Now turn the other way and back down. If that's what you're trying to do. Come back to me. There you go. Straight down.
Are you done?
For a minute, I'm gonna let it cool down.
That hurt.
Whew, I'm still out of breath. Tanner's coming up. I just couldn't quite make it the 4-seater. You see in the video, like it's just too tight of a turn for me. Really hoping the 2-seater can do a lot better. It was more of the turn and the way the rocks were that I couldn't tackle it. There you go. You got past that rock. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Ooh, I hope it, there she settled down. Whew. Oh shit. That's not the way to go. Get you a good viewpoint of what he's doing here.
What am I hung on? Everything?
I don't see anything. Oh, that big flat rock sticking up, just right back there about behind the passenger seat. Yeah, that's the way it's falling off. You're gonna need more than one.
I can't hear shit they say.
They're telling me to stack rocks. The bad thing is you kind of need to go over this, but that's gonna be tough on the back. Pretty tough trail if the Turbo R 4-seater and the KRX can't make it, because usually I know a lot of people say you can't compare them, they're completely different machines, but they actually work really similar. And what if the KRX can't make, usually Turbo R does, and vice versa. So it's kind of odd that you're super high centered there. Yeah. You're just bellying and teeter-tottering. You made it about 3 foot further than I did. Hey, you're gonna, if you back out, you're gonna have to turn. he's coming out. Get a view. Don't just step out.
Yeah, no shit.
Hey, if you stay too long, you're gonna fuck up. Just go.
That was a cool trick.
Huh?
That was a cool trick.
Didn't work.
No.
Can't turn this piece.
The bad thing is if you go any more that way, your back tire's fixing to fall off about a 2 or 3 foot drop.
That's gonna hurt.
Yeah. Show you what he's dealing with over here. If it wasn't so light on the front end, that you're about there, but it's too light on the
Feel
front.
this end getting caught on something.
Yeah, you got to climb that rock. You're on top of this one. You're just climbing that flat wall.
Can I turn this way and back?
Can he go that way and back? Can he go that way and back? Straight.
Oh shit. That was a little sketchy.
Hey, this tire ain't touching nothing.
They didn't lie this time. It's the truth.
It's a red buggy. You got to know it's for real.
Yeah, really.
Can't get out of this.
All right, he's back in. He's kind of in a predicament. He can't
This may hurt.
go backwards or forwards too well. Oh, he's got it. Yeah, he's got it. Ooh. Oh. Okay. Now you're really in a predicament.
He's making it worse.
I'm just driving there. I didn't say nothing.
All she said, you're making it worse.
I know, that's what I'm saying. I'm just driving.
You're gonna have to go back and then try to come up like I did. If you go straight back for just a little bit and then turn. Oh, probably need to get the camera on it.
Oh, no, Dad. We can't. Go forward.
KRXs don't have reverse.
You're on right at the belly on that side. Now try straight back. Yeah, you got it. You got it. You're good. There you go. Now you can try to turn and get out.
So we're getting out.
Well, I don't know, but he got to get at least straighter anyways. Looks like he's coming back forward. I don't know what he's doing. Never know with Tanner. He's a wild card. I will say that. Oh, we're going this way. I feel like I'm probably, yeah, I don't know.
feel like I can do a lot line this late.
1
You're fine. There it goes. Oh, something's fixing to break. Something's fixing to break. You're binding up. Every wheel's getting in a bind.
Well, back me out.
What that was.
We're teeter-tottering.
Yeah, you're gonna have to though, because you're stuck on that rock over there now. Hang on a second, look at the front.
Just ride the horse. The rock horse. Literally.
Rock horse.
This is a little sketchy, but you'll be all right.
You need to turn, but I know you probably can't right now, so maybe try to go forward and straighten a little bit. There you go.
Whee.
Now try to back out.
I don't know, bro.
Turn this way. You got this.
That way?
Yeah.
No!
Yeah, 'cause he's gotta back up. He
There's
can't go
a
that
big
way.
rock right there. Jesus, Tanner. Oh my God. Don't run over his leg, stanky leg.
You got a big rock right there. Hang on. Man, this is that one thing, big rock in the front. We're in a hoochie? Yeah, because you gotta climb over another rock in the back.
Just go forward.
Yeah.
Just tell him to go forward. Straighten it up. He needs to get out of.
All right. Neither one of us could make it up Anaconda.